Listen carefully. And the body is electrical in nature. And when that electricity is disturbed, you feel pain, you lose sleep, and disease begins to grow. Nature has already provided the answer, not in a bottle, but in a seed. When you restore the minerals and oils your body truly needs, healing becomes inevitable.
You've tried magnesium. You've tried melatonin. You've tried chamomile tea, counting sheep, turning off screens at night. But here you are, still awake at 2 a.m., legs burning, nerves firing, body refusing to let you rest. What if the answer wasn't a pill at all, but a tiny seed that humans have used for over 9,000 years? A seed so powerful that modern science is now catching up to what Dr. Sebi already knew decades ago. Stay with me, because what I'm about to share could completely change the way you sleep and the way your nerves feel. Let's get straight into it, because your time matters, and you came here for real answers. The seed we're talking about is flaxseed, also called linseed. Small, brown or golden, and almost always overlooked in the grocery store. But inside this tiny seed sits one of the most complete nutritional profiles of any plant food on Earth. Now, before you think, I've heard of flaxseed, it's just a fiber thing, I need you to hold on. Because what makes flaxseed extraordinary for sleep and nerve pain has nothing to do with fiber alone. It's about 3 very specific compounds that work together inside your nervous system. Compound number 1, alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA, the nerve repairman. Flaxseed is actually the richest plant source of alpha-linolenic acid, which is an omega-3 fatty acid. We're talking about 70% of its oil being polyunsaturated fat, with more than half of that being ALA specifically for people suffering from neuropathic pain, that burning, shooting, electric shock sensation. This matters enormously. A case series published in medical literature tracked patients with conditions including cervical radiculopathy, fibromyalgia, and carpal tunnel syndrome who were treated with omega-3 fatty acids. The result? Researchers documented clinically significant pain reduction, with improvements lasting up to 19 months after beginning treatment. One patient with severe carpal tunnel syndrome improved so dramatically that surgery was no longer necessary. And in 2023, a study published by Science Daily and the American Physiological Society found that omega-3 fatty acids not only slowed nerve damage progression, they actually helped stimulate nerve cell regrowth. Let that land for a second. Nerve regrowth, not just pain management. Actual structural repair. Compound number 2, tryptophan, your body's natural sleep switch. Now, here's where flaxseed surprises most people. Flaxseed contains significant amounts of tryptophan. That's the same essential amino acid found in turkey, eggs, and that warm milk your grandmother swore by at bedtime. And here is the sleep connection. Tryptophan is converted in the brain into serotonin, your mood-stabilizing neurotransmitter. Serotonin is then converted into melatonin, the hormone that tells your body it is time to sleep. This pathway is well documented, and a 2022 systematic review and meta-analysis published in Nutrition Reviews confirmed that tryptophan supplementation, especially at higher intakes, significantly improves sleep quality, particularly sleep latency, which is how fast you fall asleep, and sleep efficiency, meaning how well you stay asleep. A 2024 study from the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism further confirmed that dietary tryptophan and EPA-DHA omega-3 intake were both independently associated with better sleep quality, shorter sleep latency, and fewer sleep disturbances. Flaxseed delivers both tryptophan and omega-3 ALA, which supports the conversion of tryptophan into serotonin. So, you are not just getting one ingredient for sleep, you are getting the full assembly line. Compound number 3, lignans, the anti-inflammatory nervous system protector. Flaxseed contains up to 800 times more lignans than any other plant food. Lignans are phytoestrogenic compounds with powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Now, why is this better than magnesium? Magnesium is excellent. Absolutely. It relaxes muscles, reduces leg cramps, and calms the nervous system. We are not dismissing it. But here is the truth. Magnesium only addresses one part of the sleep and nerve pain puzzle. It does not repair nerve tissue. It does not produce serotonin or melatonin. It does not carry omega-3 fatty acids across the blood-brain barrier to quiet neuroinflammation. Flaxseed does all three simultaneously. Let's go deeper. Because understanding why your nerves hurt at night and why sleep feels impossible is the key to understanding why flaxseed works where everything else falls short. The nerve-sleep connection that nobody talks about. Here is something most people with nerve pain discover the hard way. Nerve pain doesn't just cause suffering, it destroys sleep architecture. A landmark 2025 review from Dove Medical Press, supported by Korea's National Research Foundation, mapped the exact bidirectional relationship between neuropathic pain and sleep disruption. What they found was sobering. Neuropathic pain doesn't just keep you awake, it fragments your deep sleep cycles. The NREM stages where your body repairs tissue, consolidates memory, and resets your nervous system. And this is the cycle that traps people. Poor sleep amplifies pain sensitivity the following day. The worse you sleep, the more your nerves hurt. The more your nerves hurt, the worse you sleep. This is the feedback loop that millions of people are trapped in right now. And no single supplement pill breaks that loop the way a compound food like flaxseed can. Because it addresses both sides simultaneously. What Dr. Sebi understood about seeds and the electric body. Dr. Sebi taught that the body is fundamentally electrical, that our cells, our nerves, and our brain all operate through bioelectric signals. He consistently pointed toward natural mineral-dense plant foods as the way to restore that electrical conductivity when disease or inflammation disrupts it. Flaxseed aligns perfectly with this philosophy. The ALA in flaxseed is converted, at least partially, into DHA and EPA in the body. DHA, in particular, is a primary structural fat of the brain and nervous system. It literally forms the myelin sheath, the protective coating around nerve fibers. When that sheath degrades from inflammation, poor diet, or chronic stress, nerve pain accelerates and sleep collapses. Dr. Sebi's alkaline food lists consistently emphasize seeds, especially those rich in natural fatty acids and biominerals. Flaxseed fits squarely in that category, and its use in Ayurvedic and traditional medicine as a remedy for pain and fatigue goes back thousands of years, long before clinical trials confirmed what healers always observed: the mental fatigue and mood connection. There is one more layer to this that is absolutely critical. Because if you lie in bed unable to sleep, the problem is often not just physical pain. It's mental noise, anxiety, racing thoughts, stress. A clinical study published in PMC in 2023 assessed the effect of flaxseed on mental and physical fatigue in children and adolescents using validated psychological tools, including the Pittsburgh Sleep Quality Index. The group consuming flaxseed showed a significant reduction in mental fatigue, anxiety, stress, and depression compared to the control group. And the flaxseed oil supplementation study published in Taylor and Francis Online found that flaxseed oil increased serum BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, in subjects. BDNF is sometimes called the brain's growth hormone. It is critical for neuronal survival, mental resilience, and the variability of the brain to regulate sleep cycles and pain perception. Low BDNF is strongly linked to depression, chronic pain sensitization, and sleep disorders. Flaxseed raises it. The magnesium bonus nobody mentions. And here's the irony. Flaxseed actually contains magnesium. That's right. You are not abandoning magnesium by choosing flaxseed. You are getting magnesium plus ALA omega-3s plus tryptophan plus lignans plus BDNF support. all in 1 tablespoon or 2. Per 100 grams, flaxseed contains approximately 392 milligrams of magnesium, more than almost any other whole food. Combined with its other compounds, it delivers the muscle, relaxation, and nervous system calming benefits of magnesium alongside everything else we have already discussed. Why ground flaxseed matters? This is critical. Whole flax seeds pass through the digestive system largely undigested. The hard outer shell acts as a barrier. Research is very clear. Ground flaxseed is what delivers the full bioavailability of ALA, lignans, and tryptophan. The grinding breaks the outer hull and releases the compounds for absorption. You can grind it fresh in a coffee grinder or buy pre-ground flaxseed meal. Store it in the refrigerator or freezer after opening to prevent the oils from going rancid. One important caution on processing. Flaxseed contains naturally occurring compounds called cyanogenic glycosides. At normal dietary amounts, 1 to 2 tablespoons per day, this is not a concern, as cooking or grinding significantly reduces their activity. However, consuming large amounts of raw whole flaxseed is not advisable. Stick to ground, moderate amounts. All right, so now you understand what flaxseed does, why it works, and how it targets both nerve pain and sleep from multiple angles at once. Now, let's talk about the practical side. How to actually use this in your daily life. How much flaxseed should you take? Based on the research and traditional use guidelines, the general effective range is 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed per day for general health and sleep support. Studies examining fatigue and sleep used approximately 20 grams per day. That's roughly 2 tablespoons. For nerve pain support, consistent daily use over 4 to 12 weeks showed the most meaningful results in clinical observations. Do not try to rush results by doubling the dose. More is not always better. Consistency over time is what moves the needle. The best times to take it. For sleep, the tryptophan pathway works best when flaxseed is consumed in the evening, about 1 to 2 hours before bed. Adding it to your evening meal or a small bedtime smoothie allows tryptophan to cross the blood-brain barrier during the overnight window, when melatonin production is rising. For nerve pain, daily intake at any time of day supports ongoing ALA delivery to the nervous system. Morning use in a smoothie or oatmeal ensures you start the day with the anti-inflammatory omega-3 dose your nerves need. Here are 5 simple ways to use ground flaxseed daily. First, flaxseed golden milk. Just stir 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed into warm non-dairy milk, like hemp milk or walnut milk, with turmeric and a touch of sea moss gel. Take this about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Second, try a morning smoothie add-in. Blend 1 to 2 tablespoons into a green smoothie with banana, leafy greens, and berries. This covers your ALA intake for the day. Third, flaxseed water. Stir 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed into a full glass of warm water. Drink it slowly. It's simple, effective, and on an empty stomach for maximum absorption. Fourth, overnight oats or porridge. Stir flaxseed into whole grain oats the night before and let it soak overnight. The gel-forming fiber also supports gut health. And fifth, flaxseed tea blend. Some traditional practitioners combine ground flaxseed with herbs like valerian or passion flower for an evening relaxation tea. This aligns closely with Dr. Sebi's philosophy of combining plant medicines for a synergistic effect. Who should be cautious? While flaxseed is a safe, whole food for the vast majority of people, there are some situations where caution or medical guidance is appropriate. For example, blood thinners. The omega-3 content of flaxseed has mild blood-thinning properties. If you are taking warfarin or other anticoagulant medications, you should consult your doctor before using significant amounts of flaxseed. Hormone-sensitive conditions. Flaxseed's lignans have mild phytoestrogenic activity, so people with hormone-sensitive cancers like breast, uterine, or prostate should speak with their healthcare provider. Pregnancy. While flaxseed is generally considered safe during pregnancy in food amounts, the phytoestrogenic properties warrant a discussion with your midwife or OB. Digestive sensitivity. Because of its high fiber content, starting slowly with 1 teaspoon and building up is advisable to avoid bloating or gas. And for inflammatory bowel conditions, always consult your provider before use. Final thoughts. The bigger picture. You have been told that poor sleep and nerve pain are things you just have to manage. That the best you can do is take this pill or that supplement and hope for the best. But that is not true. The science published in peer-reviewed journals, from PMC to ScienceDirect to Cochrane, confirms that the human nervous system responds powerfully to the right nutritional support. Tryptophan feeds the sleep pathway. ALA omega-3s repair and calm nerve tissue. Lignans reduce the inflammation that makes pain worse at night. And magnesium, already inside flaxseed, relaxes the muscle tension that keeps your body unable to rest. Dr. Sebi spent his life pointing toward plant foods that work with the body's own electrical and biochemical intelligence. Flaxseed is exactly that. A small seed with an outsized role in restoring what modern life and processed food have disrupted. Start with 1 tablespoon tonight. Ground. In warm water, in a smoothie, or in your evening meal. Give it consistency over 4 to 6 weeks. And if this video helped you today, please share it with someone who has been suffering through sleepless nights and burning nerve pain. They deserve to know this exists. Like this video. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And drop your questions in the comments below. I read every single one.